Hi, my name is Eddie and you're watching Steady Projects. Today we are working on the greenhouse. Now this spring when I put the greenhouse up, we kind of took the ends and wrapped it around here and duct taped it back like that, all the way down and all the way up and over on both sides. Can you see that? There we go. But you see, the duct tape has let go once we got cold weather. And so we're gonna fix that today with some wiggle wire. Let's take a look at this. These are the wiggle wire tracks, and we're going to screw these to the frame along the curve. And then these little wires just go in and they hold the liner. They hold this plastic in its track. So hopefully this works a lot better. We'll see how it goes, and you can watch the process. Oh, how did this dump? Did you dump this, Jake?
He does love.
What is he doing? Watch him eat them.
I found him the other day carrying around a bucket of screws.
Okay. Where that carriage bolt is, should be alright though. Alright, so there's a quick video. This is the track all put together now. Much better. And if you look at the overall of the greenhouse, everything's stretched a lot nicer, especially up here on these two top ends. They were getting caught by the wind and all sorts of stuff. So now we get a good track all the way across. But not bad overall. And now if we ever want to put a side on this, we would probably just take this wiggle wire out, overlap. Probably this would go over the top, and then we'd put our other one under and bring it right down the side there. But for temporary storage, that's not bad. The other thing we have to do now is we need some center supports. So the guy we bought these greenhouses from, this is actually 96 feet long, was the full amount. This is only 40 feet of it. We're gonna put another one side by side. And he said about every 8 feet, we wanna put a 2x4 over the winter just to hold the center up, because we get quite the snow load up here. Well, other than that, they should work pretty good. Maybe we'll build some ends on it in the future, but for now, this is pretty good. I like the way it works. So, thanks for watching.